Thank you, sir.
Hi Varun, Shweta here from IWM Buzz.
Hi Shweta, what's up? How are you?
All good, all good. वरुण मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी सलमान जी के साथ आपने कोलैबोरेशन किया है. How was that feeling? कितना enjoy किया?
बहुत अच्छा. It's been one of its kind. आजकल लोग सिर्फ Instagram पे कोलैबोरेशन कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
हम लोग एक्चुअल फिल्म में कर रहे हैं प्रॉपर कोलैबोरेशन which feels good. And he's one of a kind, has the largest heart in our business. And I think when you see the film, all his fans are going to be very, very, very pleased.
Any compliment you got from Salman ji?
वो सीधा कॉम्प्लीमेंट तो देते नहीं है. मुझे बस I mean he just saw me, said baby John बड़ा हो गया baby. I mean I don't know if that's a compliment, but yeah, I mean वो in his style.
Hi Varun.
Thank you so much. All
Thank
the
you,
best.
thank you.
Hi Varun.
Hi ma'am, कैसे हो आप?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you
Hi.
ma'am?
This is Pooja Saman. I would like to ask you, we have earlier also seen many times you are performing quite bold and quite daring stunts. So how difficult this time was doing some stunts, because it's a quite daredevil stunts. Was there any challenges? Did you injured?
No, that's a very good question and बहुत different था because the kind of stunts और जिस तरीके का action हम लोग ने बेबी जॉन में किया, it's not usually हम लोग जैसे करते हैं यहाँ पे. हमारे जो action directors थे, right from Arnal sir to Yannick to Stan Siva to some other ones that we used, it's a mix of a lot of international meets Indian stunt masters. I remember one story when I was shooting a very big rain fight in Kerala. I was shooting in Kochi. And before going for the fight, Atlee sir called and just warned me. He said, sir, if you don't want to do a stunt, don't do it. He said, if you don't want to do a certain stunt, please avoid it. You tell Kalis no, because he will push you. And then after that, I realized that he called Kalis and told the same thing to Kalis, that if Varun says he wants to do something and it's very dangerous, you don't agree. So later on, he told me that you all are both mad, so I have to be careful you all don't do some crazy things. But that didn't stop Kalis, obviously. He hung me for 6 hours upside down. He made me ride a horse at 5 o'clock in the morning. And a lot of other torture he's done. But
you can only do that.
Huh?
That's why. You can only do that, sir. That's why.
Sir, every actor you say the same thing. You can only do that.
Hello, you're in the center.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Vaishali Chandra from Alpha World. Congratulations to the entire team. We are loving what we are seeing on screen. The music, the performances. My question is for Kirti. I'm loving you on screen.
Thank you so much.
Nain Mataka song, the chemistry is fire. Please, will we get to see you more on screen in the Hindi belt?
I mean, of course, I'm hoping so. But yeah, from whatever we've done, first of all, thank you so much. And this film is going to be very big, and I love my character. I've honestly loved playing this character, and fingers crossed, I'm hoping for the best. Thank you
Can
so
we
much.
manifest the next produced and directed by Atlee with Kirti in Hindi?
Yeah, of course, for sure. I think as an audience, when I saw the film, I think Kirti is going to create a great attraction towards the audience for sure. 100% she has everything. And in the emotional way, what she has done, I think it's fabulous. It's fabulous.
Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
you were looking beautiful, beautiful bride.
Thank you so much.
Hi Varun, this side. Hi,
Hi,
Vishal
hi.
Ambani here.
What's up? Stand.
Yes.
खड़े हो जा यार, खड़े हो जा. हो जा खड़ा भाई. इतना ताली बजा रहे तेरे लिए.
नहीं वो खड़े होगा तो कैमरा आ जाएगा.
हाँ?
कैमरा में मैं आ जाऊंगा.
नाम क्या है आपका?
विशाल अंबानी, पुणे में
विशाल
मिले थे.
अंबानी? हाँ.
पुणे में.
पूरा नाम.
विशाल मुकेश अंबानी. वरुण, मैं सवाल पे आता हूँ.
Are you the producer of a film?
No. वरुण, मैं सवाल पे आता हूँ.
बोलिए. जुग जियो.
थैंक यू. वरुण, जब बी नाम की लेटर आपकी मूवीज में आती है, वो हमेशा हिट हुई है. आपके लिए बी काफी लकी रहा है. भेड़िया हो गया, बदलापुर हो गया, नाउ बेबी जॉन, बवाल भी आई थी. तो So do you think B letter is your key to success?
विशाल जी, अंबानी जी, ये
और सबसे खास बात है मेरे चैनल का भी नाम बजुका है, तो वो भी बी से ही है.
सर आपके तो बहुत चैनल है. बट सर बात तो सही है, बात में दम है. एंड बेबी जॉन एक बम है जो 25 दिसंबर को फटेगा, और कितना बड़ा फटेगा क्रिसमस पे, दैट आई थिंक द ऑडियंस हैज टू डिसाइड. जनता जनार्दन. सो फॉर मी इट्स ऑलवेज द ऑडियंस. I mean, I don't get into this. I hope so. It's going to be lucky again. I pray. But सब जनता जनार्दन हम लोग पिक्चरें ऑडियंस के लिए बनाते हैं, and them liking it and them disliking it, they decide. They are the decider. तो सब ऑडियंस के ऊपर है.
Varun,
माइक दे दो.
Hello.
हाँ जी.
Hello, yeah. Sir, Narinder Bhutani from Punjab Kesari, and let me remind you a bit. आपकी एक कोका कोला की कमर्शियल थी जिसमें ऊपर से ना जूते फेंकता था एक इंसान,
हाँ जी.
और जो आपको दिखा रहा था वो मैं ही था.
आप ही थे?
It's been like 12 years now.
Oh my God, I love you.
My question is, कोका कोला की टीवी कमर्शियल हमने करी थी, एंड नाउ जो कोका कोला का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं दिलजीत दोसांझ, वो आपकी फिल्म के अंदर दिख रहे हैं. टेल मी अबाउट दैट कोलैबोरेशन. इट्स फॉर द प्रोड्यूसर्स आल्सो एंड फॉर यू आल्सो. द एक्सपीरियंस विद दिलजीत दोसांझ.
दिलजीत पाजी के साथ काम करके तो बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा लगा. आई थिंक पूरा भारत उनसे बहुत प्यार करते. द वे इज एंटरटेनिंग अस थ्रू ऑल हिज टूर्स, एंड ऑनेस्टली इट जस्ट टुक वन रिक्वेस्ट. एक बार खाली पूछा उनसे, गाना भेजा थमन सर का, उनको गाना बहुत पसंद आया. इसलिए आई वुड लव टू वर्क विद एटली सर, आई वुड लव टू सिंग फॉर यू. एंड वो सेट पे आए, एंड ही वाज जस्ट अ ड्रीम टू वर्क विद. आई थिंक वर्किंग विद दिलजीत वाज सो इजी दैट डे. वी हैड सो मच फन. बहुत मजे किए हम लोग ने साथ में, एंड आई थिंक ही इज इन अ स्पिरिचुअल प्लेस. भाई वो एक आर्टिस्ट है जो बहुत प्योर है, एंड वो जिस तरीके से लोगों को एंटरटेन करे, इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल टू सी. जस्ट अफार से देखना उनको बहुत मजा आता है. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बी को-स्टार्स विद हिम आल्सो सून. हम लोग एक पिक्चर भी कर रहे हैं अभी नेक्स्ट. बट I'm very happy. So thank you Diljit Paji for singing our song Nain Mein Takka, and song is doing so well. Gana hit ho gaya hai. So a lot of credit goes to him, to Dhee, to Thaman sir, to Irshad bhai, and Atli sir also for getting us the songs.
Hello to the team here. This is Aina from Instant Bollywood.
What's up, Aina? How are you?
I'm good. How are you? I want to ask Varun that the last time we spoke, you said that Atli sir did mention to you that after Citadel, you will get the confidence on OTT to finally believe that people are going to love you in action. And now people have really appreciated you in Citadel. It went so well. Do you feel super confident for a theatrical action release?
That's a good question. I think my confidence, a lot of my confidence comes from my makers, my co-stars, the people I work with. They give me the confidence, and the way this man makes films, the way he produces films, the way he puts films together, puts a lot of confidence. The way Murad sir, almost every day I talk to him more than his family. So the way he gives me confidence every day to fight, to level up in life means a lot. But above all, I genuinely want to say that this gentleman over here, if this film is going to, when it does well, I hope it's going to do very well. It's going to be because of him. Because more than confidence, he's put in a lot of emotion into this film. You know, वो जो आग है उनमें, वो जो जज्बा है उनमें, वो it's the amount he's put na. It's very difficult. We are also pushing. Even I'm pushing every day, like giving my best. But he's been relentless. His tears are going to make this film a very, very big one.